Hello everyone. I had a couple of you ask for a video from today's lesson because you were just having trouble understanding it. So I decided to go ahead and do this. It might help you to study or anything else, so just use this at your leisure. Alright, so what we're trying to do is find A and B here. We know that these are corresponding angles, so all the way down here is going to be 55 degrees because they're corresponding. They're all the same. Same thing goes true here. If this is 48, this is. So you could continue doing this 1,000 times and all these corresponding angles would be 48. Now, in order to find B right here, what you're going to do there is you know that all triangles equal 180. So you say 180 minus 48 minus 55. And that will give you, hold on one second here, 48 and 55. All right, sorry. That will give you 77 degrees. So that's what B is. Okay, right here, the only thing that we know is that these angles are vertical. And we know that vertical angles are congruent, which means they are the exact same. They are equal to each other. So what you can do next is go ahead and subtract 3x from both sides. Negative 90 equals negative 2x. Divide both sides by negative 2. Two negatives, when you divide, become a positive. So now you have 45. Now, we know that this angle is 45 degrees. This angle is also 45. You can now figure out why, because this is a triangle. All triangles equal 180. So you add up 65 and 45 and subtract that from 180, and this is 70. Okay, now let's look at this one. Vertical angles are congruent. So this is 45, 85. You can find this one because you remember all triangles equal 180. So you add up 85 and 45 and subtract that from 180, and this is 50. If this is 50, then D also has to be 50. Now to find C, this is a straight line. All straight lines equal 180. So you take 180 minus the 50, and this will give you 130 degrees. That's what C is. Okay, let's look at the next page. Okay. Right here, all triangles equal 180. So what you're going to do is you're going to take everything that is there, which is the A plus 25 plus the A minus 10. So do you see I just took these three values? They equal 180. You're going to combine like terms. So now I have 3A, 25 minus 10 is 15. You're going to subtract that so that you can get just a single variable. 3A equals 165. That's a horrible 5, sorry. So then you're going to divide 165 divided by 3. And so A is 55. So this right here is 55 because that's what we know A is. 55 plus 25 is 80. And 55 minus 10 is 45. Now let's look right here. B plus 2B minus 40 equals, what do all triangles equal? 180. Combine like terms. 4B minus 40 equals 180. Add 40 to both sides. Now we're just solving an equation. And B is also 55. So we know that this is 55. This is 55. Now you could plug 55 in here, or you could just add 55 plus 55 and subtract it from the 180 and get 70. All right, this last one is not as difficult as it looks, because you know that these two outside angles added together give you this. So that's the only thing that you know. So what you're going to do is you're going to add those two outside angles, equal them to the other. Okay, then you're going to add 2x, 80 plus 3x, 140, subtract 80, 3x is 60, so x is 20. So this is 20 degrees. Now if you wanted to get crazy, you could find out that this is 80 because all triangles equal 80. And so if this is 80 because it's a straight line, this would equal 100 degrees. Okay, I hope that this helps you and will help you with section B. Have a great day.